Hello everyone. Today I will give you some advices of how to use Unite AR in language learning. So to find this application, you have to ask Google to type Unite AR and to follow the first link which appears at the page. Then if you're new to the website, you will have to register, and if you have already done that, you can press the button Try for free. As you can see, I have already 2 projects here because of several reasons. I have already tried this application, and I have no more images to add because there are some limits to the amount of material I can create. And if I want to upgrade now, I can press the button and see the information listed below. This is the price for a month, and there's some other ways to pay for that. So if you're ready to pay, you are welcome. And you can create some limit of content without any payment. So I have 2 projects. Let's view one of them. So to create this project, I have already done 4 words from vocabulary on topic fruits. As you can see here, pear, apple, pineapple, grape. And to do that, first of all, I opened Paint, typed a word and saved it in the format of the picture. It could be PNG or JPEG and other. So after that, I pressed button Add More AR Targets, pressed Create, Browse, and edit some images from my library. And in this exercise, I decided to add the picture to the word. So to do that, I will show you on the example of the word grape. So I'll delete it for a moment. Okay, so when I edit the word, I press 3D button and typed the word I was looking for, grape. Okay, now I'm waiting while it will be downloaded. Yeah, great. After that, you can customize it in different position or scale, or rotate. I like rotating most of all. I think it's useful to give the best angle. There are also some other things you can do with it, but for me, for now, it's okay. Also, you can add a video, or there is some library, an image of 360 degrees, simple image 2D. You can add audio. I will show it on another example, a button or a link which could be very functional, I guess, and a text if necessary. So in my example, we added only picture. When you're done, actually you can give a name to your project. You press the button Preview, and then you will need your mobile phone to see the result. So I will show you result in a second with the help of my mobile phone.